Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Bitrix24 Synergy's new and updated feature company structure. And by the end of the video, you will have all the insights you need to configure and use the company structure effectively. So let's begin. New company structure. The visually updated and completely revoked company structure section allows you to manage your internal hierarchy and access permission easier than ever. Its redesigned interface, improved navigation, role-based access permission, departments and sub-departments, employees can hold multiple positions. These all are features are very effective and helpful for organizing your company structure based on hierarchy. So this is the redesigned company structure. In this company structure, you have got different sets of actions, operations, and access permission available. So you can also set the new feature like you can set the deputy supervisor in this company structure. In previous company structure, you are just able to add the supervisor. That's it. And in this new company structure, you can also add deputy supervisor. Also, the users that are selected in this company structure can be added as multi-role employees. Same goes with different department as well. So you can add employees or edit the employees based on the operations. Talking about the access permission of the new company structure, here you can create different roles based on your operations like supervisor, employee, administrator, and you can also create customized role as per your usage. So here you get different sets of access permission like view company structure, add new departments, remove departments, edit department information, add employees, remove employees from department, and all these things. It can be easily configured and usable. The new company structure is easier to manage, like employees get automatically removed from their previous department chats and channels when their position changes and get added to the new ones. Also, this new company structure is flexible, like we can create departments, sub-departments and add employees and move them from one place to another, and also make certain parts of the structure hidden for security or other corporate reason as we have seen in the access permission. The employee data in this company structure is team-based, where one person can be part of multiple teams. This can be reflected in the new company structure as well. So this is all about the new company structure, what we have seen in this demonstration. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you everyone.